welcome to Riviera 225 on board Sky Princess. Riviera is on deck 14 and we are front and starboard. So that means on the right hand side of the ship.
She thinks.
We're in it, no, I know. I know. So we're in a mini suite again, and it's very similar to the one that we've been on before when we were on, can't remember, doesn't matter, deck 15. So it's a little bit bigger than the one that we were in before on deck 8, but come through. The bathroom is the same. Obviously we've got the double wardrobe. All I could do with tightening up the little knob there a bit. I'll get onto that. That sort of thing really bothers me. Anyway, wardrobe, safe for our valuables that we don't own.
We don't own anything.
Go in there, look, here's what's going to happen. Because there's nothing hanging, she can go in there and I can just get in here, out there, ready?
Oh God. I'm sorry, Lord help me. It's a normal room with a bath.
Bathroom with a bath. We love having a bath, although not in this heat, to be honest.
Yeah, a cold shower
it's
is unbelievably hot.
Very hot. Anyway, come through. We have our standard bed. It's lovely and big and lovely and comfy. We've got our obviously bedside tables and USBs. Now, I read that there is actually an electric socket tucked down under there. So if I find it, I'll show it to you. But you can't see it. But there's USBs in the lights, and it would be very helpful if they did have plug sockets near the bed. Anyway, lovely big TV.
Usual stuff on the TV. They do update it occasionally.
We've got our nice curtains, as usual. And you can see this is a bigger room than the last time, because last time we had like a bulkhead coming out. You get this extra set of drawers in this mini suite. And obviously just an extra surface as well, which is really, really helpful. And also the desk has these little shelves. So the mini suite on deck 8 didn't have that. It just had the desk. And then it had like the TV on the bulkhead. So this is a much bigger room. It just feels like much more spacious. Obviously you've got your sofa, which converts into a bed. We've got our little fridge there.
Nothing in it though.
Nothing in it as usual.
Not even any free glass of champagne.
Not yet. We've got
We are really.
Kettle, because obviously we're sailing out of the UK. So they always give you kettle and tea and coffee and all that kind of thing. And then the balcony. We are on the ugly side of Southampton today because we're at the Queen Elizabeth II terminal. And it's actually a really pretty terminal on the other side of the ship. But come and have a look anyway. It is a small balcony. So it's a big room, small balcony. That's the only thing. Oh my God, I can't open it. Ooh!
It don't look that small to me. I know what she's talking about.
It's quite small.
It's plenty big enough for what we need. Although they've got a little bit of rust going on there. Look at that. A little bit of rust. I mean, you know, she's getting on a few years. But yeah, this is the view.
There's a second TV there as well, but we won't know that. But that's it. Thank you.